Yeah. iOS 17 has been released, and let's check out some of the new features they got for us. So as you can see, this is the new wallpaper for the iOS 17. Let's go into something new. So as you can see, iOS 17 has also come up with some new wallpapers. So let's go with this emoji wallpaper. So as you can see, I can set this emoji wallpaper. And one thing I really like about this is you can be able to adjust your time. So as you can see, I can be able to change whether to increase the font or reduce it, as you can see. So let's say this one is okay, and the colors I want maybe blue, so maybe I can deepen it. This is the font, and I can deepen it or I can make it light, as you can see here. So let's say I want it like this, and you can also change how you want the flowers to use. So let's say maybe I want it like this, or I want to change the emojis. I can add this to it, or I can add this to it, or I can add this to it. So as you can see, or if you don't want some of them inside, maybe I want this and I want something like this. So as you can see, this is the new emojis for the emojis. And maybe because this thing is not clear, so let me change the color and see if you can see the time well. Let me go with color green a little bit. No, I think black will do for this, so let's go to black. And yeah, so I go with black, and maybe I increase this a bit, so you can see this is really looking nice. And I add, so you can see use for the same home paper. I want to customize it, so maybe for the home I want to use a picture for it, and I select this picture of mine, but maybe I don't want this background, so I can just swap like this and change this background. So this is what I like, so I go with this and click on done, and this is my new wallpaper. So when you open the iPhone, this is how it looks. I set my new wallpaper, and this is how it looks. Some of the features they've done is also in the iMessage. So as you can see, the iMessage, now you use a tab. Previously you just type, or your apps will be showing at the down, but now they have added a plus sign here where you can just click and see all the apps available. So let's start with, maybe they've added stickers, so let's start with stickers. As you can see, there are many symbols here. So maybe I want to send this sticker to this person, and just click, and the sticker is being sent. And another thing is they have a location here where you can share location. So maybe share once. You can share it either indefinitely until end of day or for an hour. So maybe let me do an hour and share my location with him. So my location has been shared with him, so he can be able to view my location for just an hour, and after an hour the location will be gone. Let's go to another thing, that is check-in, which is one of their new features, which allows you to send it to your friends to know whether you are at home at a particular time or not. As you can see, check-in is not available to send to this contact, so meaning this contact is not on iOS 17 as we speak. So let's go to another feature which they've added, which is the widget. So you can add widgets to your home page now. So anything you want to add, maybe I want to add contact, time, or anything, just anything. Maybe for me, I want to add maybe this time like this to my widget, and you see these are the cities. So maybe I want this type of widget, so I just click add widget, and the widget is being added. I think this is really good, and I really love this. Moving on is the standby that they've introduced. So as you can see, there is standby, but one thing I realized about the standby is the standby does not work if you don't have a wireless charging where you can plug your phone on and turn it like this. So for me, I don't have one, so I can't test if this is really working or not. The next is Siri. They've also updated Siri. So instead of hey Siri first, you can just say Siri, what is the weather for today?
Thunderstorms are expected today. Daytime temperatures will hover around 30 degrees, with overnight lows around 25.
Thank you, Siri. So this is what Siri has also done. And I've also noticed that they've updated their browser. Now you can be able to edit your browser and add more features to it, like the background and things. You can also go on privacy mode and things, add your favorite things to it. So let me use maybe the background like this, and if you come here, you see that the background has really changed. And this is really cool of iPhone doing this for Safari. I think these are the few updates that they've done. Let me know what you think about these updates under the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit on the notification icon below.